Dear students, today we are on page number 71 and our second lesson is going on. Lesson name, the Indian Parliament. And in the last video we learn about what is Parliament, or the Parliament consists of the President and the two houses of Parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is the lower and Rajya Sabha is the higher house of the Parliament. And in it we also learn that the states has a different number of seats in Parliament. It is depend on the population of the territorial constituencies, right? So today we will learn about Lok Sabha. And as I told you, Lok Sabha is the lower and the first house of the Indian Parliament. It is important, lower house of the Indian Parliament, that is Lok Sabha, and though it is lower, it is also known as the first house, lower and first house of Indian Parliament. And in it is important for us, the members of Lok Sabha, or Lok Sabha is the house of representatives directly elected by the people, and the members of Lok Sabha, they are elected by the people, hence the Lok Sabha is called first house. The lower house, Lok Sabha, and the first house, it is also Lok Sabha. Why? Because the members of Lok Sabha are elected by the people, or house, or the house of parliament which the representatives directly elected by people. So it is known as the first house. The member of Lok Sabha are elected directly by people from the territorial constituencies, right? It is important from the territorial, like in Maharashtra there are 48 seats, and according to the population of district the 48 seats are to be distributed. This is territorial constituencies, and the members are elected directly by people. The tenure of Lok Sabha is 5 years, and it is also important for us, what is the tenure? The duration of Lok Sabha, it is of 5 years, and the elections take place after every 5 years. And we know very well, the election of Lok Sabha take place every after 5 years. These elections are known as general election, right? These elections are known as general election. The elections for Lok Sabha take place after every 5 years, and these elections are known as general election. However, there are some examples when the Lok Sabha was dissolved before completion of 5 years, and some exceptions are there, some examples are there. Lok Sabha was dissolved, or it has been dismissed or suspended by the president before completion of 5 years time. Elections held in such a case are called midterm election. Simple term, it is midterm. Midterm election means when the Lok Sabha dissolved before the completion of 5 years, and the elections held such a case are called midterm election. Generally, the general election comes every after 5 years, but if any exceptions are there, if any reasons are there, then it dissolves early before the completion of 5 years. These elections are known as midterm election. Lok Sabha is the representative body of the citizen of the country. As per the constitution, there can be a maximum of 552 members in the Lok Sabha, and Lok Sabha is the representative body of the citizen of the country, right? And as per the constitution, according to the constitution, there can be a maximum of 552 members. 552 members can be there in the Lok Sabha maximum, right? But on today's date there are 543 or plus 2 means 545 members are to be elected. 543 members are elected by the people. 552 members in Lok Sabha. To ensure equal representation to all sections of the community, some seats are reserved for members belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and some reservations are given for the members belonging to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. In case there are no representatives from the Anglo-Indian community, the president can appoint 2 members from the community to the Lok Sabha. And here, as per, if any Anglo-Indian means though they are in India but they belong from another country, that is Anglo-Indian, means they took the birth in another country and just now they are here in our country from many days, these Anglo-Indians, and if they did not get the membership of parliament or the Anglo-Indian community, the president can appoint 2 members from the community to the Lok Sabha. Means Anglo-Indians, 2 members of Anglo-Indian can be appointed by president. Who has the right to appoint them? President has the right. If to scheduled caste, in case there are no representatives, in case, okay, right, it is not compulsion, but in case no representative from the Anglo-Indian, then only the president can appoint 2 members from the community to the Lok Sabha.